Hello and welcome. I am Ron Eslinger, registered nurse, certified registered nurse anesthetist, master's, board certified hypnotist, certified master instructor, fellow of the National Guild of Hypnotists, and order braid. This is class number 22024, Self-Hypnosis Workshops for Fun and Profit. This is part 1 of a 2-part self-hypnosis program. Part 2 is accessible to attendees. Let's talk about your formula for success. I want to share my formula for success. The number 1 is the why. The why is your motivation. Without the motivation, there is no reason to find out your how. Well, this course is your how. However, that is over the attitude. The attitude is, what are you willing to do to get there? Are you positive? Are you half positive? Do you have support? Then you can multiply those by action. So the why, the attitude, and the action are all supported by self-hypnosis. Use what you teach. Attend this class and you will receive online access to the complete self-hypnosis course, all workshop materials. There's also free resources available at www.healthyvisions.com and at Ron Eslinger YouTube. The book that you see to your right is one of the many materials included with this workshop. Teaching self-hypnosis means buying into the workshop process. Are you committed as the teacher to do your research to practice? Are your students committed to learning? What is your motivation? Why do you want to do this? Do you want to make money? Do you want to help people? Do you want to turn workshops into a business for profit? Once you decide your motivation, everything else gets easier. Remember, self-perception creates reality. How you see yourself is who you become. As the movie Field of Dreams said, build it, they will come. To be a great instructor, you've got to see yourself as being a great instructor. However, others' perceptions of us drive the direction in which we go. You become how you see others see you. Imagine yourself as the expert on the topic that you are teaching, creating the perception others that you are the greatest. Obstacles and temptations will be a part of every decision you make. It is up to you to stay focused on your goal, what you want out of that goal, and not what can get in your way. A lot of naysayers will tell you can't do something. The only voice that matters is your voice to you. To reach your goal, not only do you have to believe in your goal, but that goal has to be realistic and believable. So when you're doing your business plan, when you're looking at teaching a class, or whether you want to open a wellness center or a hypnosis center, think of your goal in these terms. Is it simple? Is it positive? Is it achievable? Is it in the present tense? Is it measurable, and is it rewardable? What are you doing each and every day that is positive towards you reaching that goal of you achieving whatever you want to achieve? Thank you for watching this introduction to self-hypnosis workshops for fun and profit, course number 22024. I am Ron Eslinger. Thank you for joining me.